Let's see the third type of chemical reaction, that is displacement reaction. So the definition is those reactions in which one element takes the place of another element in a compound are known as displacement reaction. So one element takes the place of another. So let us write the general equation. When A plus BC gives AC plus B. That means this element and this element. So this element takes the place of the other element. That means A takes the place of B and form AC and B. So A plus BC gives AC plus B. That is the general equation for displacement reaction. So let us take one example. When iron Fe plus CuSO4, that is copper sulfate, gives FeSO4 plus Cu. So Fe, that is a solid, copper sulfate, that is aqueous, FeSO4 also aqueous, and Cu is a solid. So in this example, we can see iron reacts with copper sulfate, produces iron sulfate and copper. So iron, here we can use iron nail. Iron nail can be used in this case. When iron nail put in copper sulfate solution, copper sulfate solution is blue color. So when this reaction happens, the color, blue color, changes to green color. So that green color is due to the formation of ferrous sulfate FeSO4. So ferrous sulfate is green color. So in this reaction, a green colored solution is formed and copper. So Cu is copper. So iron nail dipped in copper sulfate solution. When iron nail placed in copper sulfate solution, the blue color of copper sulfate changes to green color due to the formation of ferrous sulfate. That is the observation. So we can observe a blue color. A color change can be observed. So a color change is here, a color change, that is blue color changes to green. That means blue colored copper sulfate changes to green colored ferrous sulfate. So that green color is due to the formation of ferrous sulfate. So in this case, one element takes the place of the other. Here Fe takes the place of copper and form FeSO4. So one element takes the place of another. That means there is a displacement takes place. So Fe displaces copper from copper sulfate. Fe displaces copper from copper sulfate, produces FeSO4 and Cu. So this is an example of a displacement reaction. So let us see some more examples. So these are the examples of displacement reaction. First example we have already seen, Fe plus CuSO4 gives FeSO4 plus Cu, where Fe displaces copper from copper sulfate, produces FeSO4 and Cu. So another example is Zn plus CuSO4, zinc. Zinc reacts with copper sulfate, produces zinc sulfate and copper. Here zinc displaces copper. Here Fe displaces copper. Here zinc sulfate and copper are formed. In this case, lead, Pb is lead. Pb displaces Cu. So Pb displaces Cu and form PbCl2, lead chloride and copper. So in all these cases, a displacement can be seen where Fe displaces copper in the first case, Zn displaces copper in the second case, lead displaces copper in the third case. That means Fe iron, Zn zinc and Pb lead. So these metals, actually these are metals, these metals are more reactive. These metals are more reactive than the metal copper. So these metals are more reactive. Fe, Zn and Pb are more reactive than copper. So these metals can displace copper from its compounds. So that is actually the reason for displacement reaction. So why there is a displacement reaction? Why there is a displacement reaction? The reason is some metals are more reactive. So those metal displaces a less reactive metal. In this case, iron, zinc and lead are more reactive than copper. So it displaces copper from its compounds. It displaces copper from its compound. So iron displaces copper from its compound. Here the compound is CuSO4. Iron displaces copper from CuSO4. Zinc is also more reactive. So zinc displaces copper from copper sulfate, the compound. Then lead displaces copper, that means lead is more reactive than copper. So lead displaces copper from its compound, copper chloride. So Fe, Zn and Pb, iron, zinc and lead are more reactive than copper and it can displace copper from its compound. That is why this type of displacement reaction takes place. So the reason for displacement reaction is explained on the basis of reactivity. Actually, it can be explained on the basis of reactivity. So a more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal. So a more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal. That is the reason for displacement reaction. So this is about displacement reactions.